What up, what up, what up? I got a 2005 Volkswagen Touareg, and doing this axle right here. It's not like typical axles that are held in by a C-clip. And the transmission side, this is actually bolted in. Comes with the bolts. Got a little pack of grease. Got your bolts, go right there. Got a pack of grease. Should be, usually it's pre-lubed in here, but apparently this one is not. Now, one difference I already see, that's a 6-sided bolt right here. And this is a 12-sided. So you're gonna need a 12-sided, 32 millimeter. See, that's a 12-sided, just to get that off to begin with. We're gonna try to do this in as few motions as possible. Like I say, I like to work smart, not hard. And those are XZN, triple square, triple spline, inverted bolts. All of those. Oh, it looks like we put the grease inside there. Okay, you can see this one is tore up right here, and this is making noise, and all the grease came out. So in order to get this out, I believe what we're gonna have to do is take off this bolt right here, so we can at least lower this down, and then in order to drop it down, I'm gonna just try that out first, and then probably gonna have to take this out also, this one right here, or that one. This is probably gonna be easier to take this one out. I'll go for this one instead. So I'm gonna take out this bolt right here. I'm gonna take out this bolt right here, and I'm gonna see if I can take this out and probably take this off, and then I can drop it down, push the axle backwards, and then push the control arm down. By pushing the control arm down, I can get the shaft out. I'm gonna try that out. So I have done exactly what I said I was gonna do. This, by the way, is an 18 millimeter, which is here. And I just hit that with a hammer. This right here is an 18, and I just held on to, came from the back side with the impact and held on with the 18 wrench from the front. This one right here is a 21, right here. And then on the front, I just hit it with that needle nose air hammer bit to push it back. And this is a 4, let's see, hex. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, that looks like a star bit. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a star bit. Okay. So if I can't get enough clearance to pull this up, then I'm gonna take out the bottom ball joint and just slide it off and let it hang by the tie rod. And I'll let the steering knuckle hang by the tie rod, so I don't have to remove the entire steering knuckle. But I'm gonna take this out and see if I can get enough room, and then drop this forward a little bit more, and then pull out this. And if I can, then I'm gonna go ahead and pop these out and just pull it on out. So by removing that T27 bracket, the T27 in that bracket, I was able to pull the steering knuckle forward just enough to pull that out. So now, like I said, I can get this axle shaft to clear right through here, through this. I can push it down. It's gonna come right through this hole right here. I got enough room, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop those out. These XZNs, and then I'm gonna just drop it down, and it's gonna come right out through here. Got plenty of room right here. See, it's gonna fit right through here. Like I said, these are called triple square spline bits. It's a M12 is the size that you need. And I got the short ones and the long ones, so I'm just gonna stick those in there and pop them out. setup right here. I got a 1/2" drop to a 3/8 adapter with a swivel, and I'm just going like this right here. Hey baby. Right. As soon as you take one out, you can just take this right here and then just turn it, rotate it like that, and then come up to the next one right there. And I'm just gonna do that, keep on rotating them, take them out one by one. Okay, so I just want to show you something. So by removing this nut right here and this nut right here, let me show you how I get this out. And also, you got these little spacers or whatever, and you can see where they are on the old one. I mean, it don't. On the new one, I think it don't really matter where you put them at. They kind of. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how I get this out. If you so what I do is I push down. I'm gonna lift up right here, and drop it right through there, just like that. Now, it says 3 hours to do this job. I think I got this out in like less than 30 minutes. But you know, I've been doing this for over 10 years, so I work pretty fast. So this is probably gonna take about an hour altogether. Now, it came with a big packet of grease. Now I'm trying to figure out if these are pre-lube, which they should be, but they feel like might be dry. So I might go ahead and take these out, open them up, and see if I can squirt some grease in there. But anyways, reverse is gonna be the same thing. You just put it up there, put your bolts in there, and put it all back together. Just put this in there, put that in there, put that back, and you can put your brackets on. 05 Volkswagen Touareg. This is the passenger side. Oops. That's what the car looked like from the front. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Peace. Okay, so this is how you put the grease in there. All you do is pull this back. It's got a little bit of grease in there, just a little bit, but you want to stick your pouch in there and squirt that grease pack in there, and it goes right here on the inboard shaft, the inboard joint, not the outboard joint. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Peace.